Whirlpool Cabrio top load washer. Let's see. Customer complained about not finishing cycle. Sounds like a freight train. The reason is because it needs a new bearing. Gonna replace the bearing on this. I already took the top off. I already took the wash plate. Took the hub. All the screws. This is the fun part now. Now take all this off. Alright, this is the fun part. Like if that wasn't fun enough. Putting all this back together. Woohoo! Ooh. I'm pretty sure that most of you guys, I haven't met guys my age to do a bearing job. I guess not a lot of people want to do a job like this, where everybody looks for the money. I think you're a bunch of pussies. I take that back, but nah, pussies. Yeah. Top, bottom. Okay, part 2. This goes here. It goes that one. This one. This one. Don't forget, in that sequence, you don't want to put the